students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Educational House. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Today we will start with chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. It is used in finding the area of a triangle. Earlier you have learned that area of a triangle is half into base into height. But in class 9th you will calculate it by using the Heron's formula, which is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where a, b and c are the three sides of a triangle and S is perimeter of a triangle divided by 2, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is how we will calculate S. Then we will put all the values here and calculate the root of that. That will give you the area of a triangle. And area of a quadrilateral using Heron's formula is deleted from your course. Now we will start with example 1. In example 1, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm. And third, you are given with the perimeter of a triangle. As you can see in the figure, AB is not given, but perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, that is 32 is equal to A plus B plus C, that is 32 is equal to A is 8, 1 is 11 and you have to find out C. Then 32 minus 8 plus 11, 19 is C. So your third side is 16, 12 minus 9, 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1, 13 centimeter. Now you have got the third side. Calculate it. 8 plus 11 plus 13, 8, 11, 13, 3, 4, 8, 4, 12 ka 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. That will give you 32. So you all got the third side also. Now we will apply the Heron's formula. That is, first we will calculate the S. S is perimeter by 2. That is 32 divided by 2. That is 16 centimeter. Now you will apply the formula square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That will give you S is 16 into 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus third side हमने क्या calculate करी थी 13 centimeter. That is square root of 16 into 16 minus 8 is 8, 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 13 is 3. Now we will get this 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. Now you can write 16 as 4 into 4. That is 16 is the square root of 4. So you can take 4 out here and 8 you can write as 2 root 2. So you can take 2 also out. You will left with 2 into 5 into 3. अब ये तीनों सिंगल टर्म्स हैं, हम इसमें से कुछ भी बाहर नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि रूट निकालने के लिए हमें 2 टर्म्स का हम सिंगल बाहर लेते हैं. तो आपका आंसर आ गया 4 to the 8 root 5 to the 10, 10 3 the 30 centimeter square. This is the area of a triangle. Now we will start with exercise 12.1. Question number 1. What is given? You have an equilateral triangle with side a centimeter. What is equilateral triangle? Which have all the sides are equal in length. And perimeter is 180 centimeter. Area आपको find out करना है. Find the area using Heron's formula. First you are given with perimeter. You can calculate all the sides. Sides of an equilateral triangle is perimeter divided by 3. That is 180 divided by 3, 60 centimeter each. So now you have got A is 60 centimeter, B is 60 and C is also 60 centimeter. Now S is perimeter divided by 2, which is 180 divided by 2. That will gives you 90 centimeter. Now you have got S and all the sides. Now what is the Heron's formula? Square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. ये तो हुआ ही नहीं, नॉट आ गया.
फोन में छोड़ने तो चलेगा कहाँ से?
Now when you put the values you will get this. This is 90 multiplied by 90 minus 60 is 30. 30 into 30. You can write 90 as 30 into 3. That is 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. Whether you put 3 here or here, it means the same thing. In square root for 2 numbers, you can put 1 out. So you will get 30 into 30 root 3. 30 into 30 is 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of a equilateral triangle. Now we will do question number 2. The triangular sides of a flyover have been used for advertisement. एक फ्लाईओवर है, उसकी जो ट्रायंगुलर साइड्स की वॉल है वो हम एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. As you have seen, I have drawn only the triangle but in book you have given the complete figure. The advertisement yield of an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? इसमें दे रखा है कि उसकी जो अर्निंग आती है पर ईयर 5,000 रुपीज आती है ट्रायंगुलर वॉल से. तो कंपनी ने उसको 3 मंथ्स के लिए हायर किया वॉल को. तो 3 मंथ्स का अर्निंग कितनी हो गई? अर्निंग पर मीटर स्क्वायर दे रखी है ऑफ 3 मंथ्स पर मीटर स्क्वायर इज 3 मंथ्स को हमने ईयर में कन्वर्ट किया 3/12 इंटू 5,000. Now first you will calculate the area of a triangle by Heron's formula. That is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. First we will calculate the S. That is 122 plus 120 plus 22 divided by 2. That is 224, 22456, 264 divided by 2. That will gives you 132 meters. S is 132 meters. Now you will put all the values here. S is 132 meters and S 132 minus 122, 132 minus 120, 132 minus 22. You will get with 132 multiply by 132 minus 122 is 10 multiplied by 2 में से 0 गए 2, 12 multiplied by 132 में से 100, 110. You will get this. Now we have to calculate the value of it, and you will get now you get this 132 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 110. You can write 110 as 11 into 10 and 132 as 12 into 11. Now you will get 12 into 11 into 10 into 12 into 11 into 10. Now you get 212, that means 112 outside. 211, 111, 210, that means 110. That will give you 12 into 11 is 132 and 0 meter square. This is your area. अब हमने कैलकुलेट करा था 3 मंथ्स में का कितना उसको पर मीटर स्क्वायर रेंट था 5000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3/12. ये 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का रेंट था. अब आपको कितने मीटर स्क्वायर का रेंट पे करना है 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर का. दैट मीन्स 5000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3/12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1320. That will gives you 12 ones are 12, 11s are 0. 5000 into 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 5 3s are 15 ka 5 1, 5 3s are 15, 1 16 and 1 2 3 4 zeros. That means the company has to pay 16,50,000 rupees as the rent. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have any queries, leave in the chat box.